Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Alright, for the first one, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it black like this and combine it with this hairstyle, and you're going to choose only bangs and then make it black. And then put on this earring. For the color, just leave it like that. And then you're going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room I'm going to go to the petal update, and I'm going to put on this top. And for this top, guys, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it black, and then for the third selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update, and we're going to put on this pant. This is from the VIP room, and then you're going to color it with black color for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to make it this color, and for the third selection, for the lacing and outline, I'm going to apply this color. Okay, for the third selection and also the fourth selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the VIP room, and we need we need this skirt. Okay, and I'm going to choose toggle 2, and we're going to make it this color. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to move to this area and put on this item. And for this item, we're going to apply a pattern. But wait, let me search for the pattern. Okay, apply this one, guys. Alright, and then for the next selection, I'm going to make it black. Alright, done. And put on this shoes. And for this one, I'm going to color it black for the first section. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and for the third selection, make it black. Oops, sorry. For the third selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the last selection, make it black. I'm going to make it gray as well. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the belt area. It's right here. And then put on this item, and for the color you're going to make it this gold color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to get out of here, go to this area and put on this knife. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot one more item. I'm gonna go back to the dressing room and we can go to the Valentine updates item again, and then you're going to put on this item. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.